Hi, I'm Eileen Handmade. I'm a craft artist and maker specialised in paper. I work in making different sculptures and installations for clients around Europe. I've also collaborated with designers and done commissions in my studio. This gives me a lot of room to play and experiment with the different shapes and textures of flowers. So paper is a really basic material, but it gives a huge world of possibilities. I find flora and vegetation immensely inspiring, and I aim to reflect the beauty of nature through the realism of my work. I believe that imagination is definitely the first part of the process. My goal is to create beautiful paper designs to harmoniously fill spaces. In this Domestika course, you will treat the eye with timeless creations that are true to nature. You will learn how to use the materials to make realistic paper flowers and leaves. As the final project, you will craft a floral arrangement to display in a vase of your choice. First, we'll take a look at some different floral arrangement styles. After learning about paper, cards, twigs and wire, I'm going to teach you some techniques for creating the centre parts of the flowers, the petals and the leaves. Then we'll decide the best vase for your composition, taking into account the colours, shapes and sizes, as this will determine the style and colour palette. Then we'll make the stems and we'll attach the centerpieces, the petals and the leaves to make the flowers. And after that, we'll make branches using the leaves for foliage. And once we have this, I'll teach you how to place your creations in a beautiful and creative way. Finally, we'll learn the ideal spot to display your final project, so it will stand out, and also how to preserve it. At the end of this course, you will be able to shape flowers inspired by nature. Crafting skills are welcome, but more so the desire to try something new. You will need a few basic materials like crepe paper, scissors and glue. We will use twigs, wire and green floristry tape as well. Also, some imagination and curiosity would be a plus. This course is aimed at anybody who wants to make realistic and unique paper flowers using simple craft techniques. Learn to create everlasting paper flowers and fill spaces with natural harmony.